Hey guys, Machines and Mal here. Just want to show you real quick how we fixed our water hose today. Seems like kind of a simple video, but we thought maybe you guys would like to see how we did it in case you've got a leaky water hose. So we've got this hose that runs from one end of our shop, way over there in the dark, to where we do our pressure washing of the equipment you see us make the videos about. And for the last year or so, there's been a leak in the hose. You can't really see it, but it's split there, and it's got a big split in it right there, and it's about 10 feet from the end of the hose. And the hose is really long. It's a 50 footer. So what happens is every time we use the hose, it floods the floor in the shop, and it kind of sucks because your feet get wet and you're dancing over water all the time. So we decided finally we're going to fix this. So before we even decided to make this video, we cut the end off the hose to get the size, the inner diameter, the ID of that, to go and buy a new fitting, a new male fitting and a clamp. This is Orbit brand. We picked it up at Canadian Tire. It was about $6. The reason that we bought a new end is because this end's crimped on with a machine and you can't reuse that. So we cut it to get the diameter. It's 5/8 of an inch diameter. You can also get these in a 1/2 inch diameter, which is a little smaller. This seems to fit our sample piece well. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cut the extra 8 feet of hose off just before where the leak is, and then we're going to show you how to install this new male end on what's left of your hose and hopefully solve your leak in just a few minutes. So we just got some scissors. Probably could use like a side cutter or something a little bit more substantial, but we work with what we got here at Machines and Metal. So that's our length of hose, and right here is our piece we just cut off, which is about 8 feet, maybe 10 feet long. It's kind of useless. We'll throw that out. And then on this end, what you gotta do first is put the clamp on. The clamps that these hose fittings come with are usually pretty junky. They don't tighten up very well. They're a knockoff. They're not an original tried-in one, which is what you'd find on a good hose. So when you go to tighten these, don't tighten them too tight or you'll strip them. Just jam the new 5/8 male end into your hose like so, and then slip your clamp over it about halfway between each end on the barb there, and tighten that baby down. Again, you don't want to go too tight because you'll end up stripping that clamp. Just nice and snug. Should be enough to hold it. Really what we should do is replace that with a decent Trident brand clamp, but that'll work for this video. So there you have it. We've been struggling with a leaky hose for over a year, and it literally took 3 minutes to fix it. Thanks for watching.